Welcome back, lovely people. We are going to be making some grilled chicken and corn today. I'm about to add my spices. You can find them listed on the video. I'm adding some Indian spice as well, Garam Masala, because of the taste it gives me. I'm adding some onions as well and some water to boil. So you can either add water from the beginning or you can allow the chicken first saturate in its own juice, but I just wanted to boil it anyway. And so I've added my water and I'm just mixing it all together so that all the spices, all the herbs can be well mixed together. After boiling for about 5 minutes, I'm adding some fresh pepper. You can add this from the beginning, but I didn't want it to be like too spicy. So I just sometimes add it like when the chicken is almost fully boiled, and I boiled it for another 3 to 5 minutes before I like set it out in readiness for it to be air fried. So I'm just going to air fry my chicken for another 10 minutes or so, 8 to 10 minutes, because it's been properly boiled and you don't want it to be overcooked. So whatever your preference, your level of grilling your chicken or air frying your chicken, just air fry it or fry it, whatever you want. And I'm just setting it to about 10 minutes for it to just cook before I continue with my other dish. And yeah, I have some corn here, some sweet corn, fresh corn from the cob. I no need for salt because it's already sweet. I'm just adding some water to boil it, and I'll be boiling this corn for about 10 minutes as well. I cooked it for about 10 minutes and I was just checking to see if it was already well cooked. Don't mind me using my bare hands. I'm used to doing that. And it was already well cooked. I didn't want it to be too soft, and I took it off from the boiling water. And at this point, you can have your corn like that, but if you want to go further, then let's keep on watching. So I'm adding some butter. I love butter in my corn, like it's like so creamy. I love when there's butter. I'm adding some garlic paste as well because I want the garlic taste in the corn, or on the corn rather, anyone. So I'm just mixing both together and I'm adding my corn. You have to be careful at this point. You can see how hot my pan was, and it was on low heat. I'm just tossing it here and there so that everything is well mixed together, and you can see all that butter has disappeared. I wanted my corn to swallow it. I made some parsley, garlic, buttery mix as well, just to add some more spice to the corn and to just make it like more tasty. Sometimes I don't like when that corn is just that sweet corn like that. Sometimes I like to like spice it up with some other things. And yes, my dish is ready. My grilled chicken drumsticks with my sweet corn with parsley, garlic, buttery mix. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and I'll see you in other ones. Bye.